Hi everybody, it's Claire Bear. Welcome to Claire Bear's Toyland. Whoa! So sorry, I'm not used to this riding thing. I'll try that again. Okay. I guess you're wondering why I'm riding a cow. But today, I have invited a few of my Old MacDonald's animal friends over to help us sing a song. I think you might recognize it once we start. So please join us singing because it will be lots of fun. See if you know the sounds we are looking for. Here we go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baa here and a baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa baa. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My friends, there's so much E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Come on you guys, quit fooling around. Oh my goodness. On that farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck with E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horsey, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, here everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a peep peep whoopee, with a peep peep here and a peep peep there, here a peep, there a peep, everywhere a peep peep. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Wow, you guys, that is so much fun. We have so many animals here. Thanks, cows. Thanks, Mr. and Miss Sheep and all your friends. Dogs, you guys were just great. You didn't even chase the balls. Thanks, kitty cats. You were great. Mr. Ducky, thanks for bringing Donald. He's very famous. And you little chicks, you are so crazy. You're always running around my farm. I don't know what to do with you guys. All right. I love to take a ride on the horsey later, so that's what we're going to do. And you little pigs, you just keep eating everything you can eat. Because we love pigs And pigs love food. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. I'd like to say bye, everybody. And you guys have a great, great day. Woohoo!